Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you about easy tips for common cold, coughing for kids and for all age people. The common cause of coughing is cold or flu. Infection caused by the flu may take little longer to ride up and can sometimes require antibiotic. Respiratory attack infections are usually caused by a virus and may last a few days to a week. It caused such as allergy, a viral infection or bacterial infection. To ride off, there are many solutions. Likewise, breathe in steam, take a hard candy, heat up the drink and the mixture we are going to make. 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon. If the kid don't like sour taste, so just take 1 spoon of lemon, 2 tablespoons of ginger juice, a small half spoons of black peppers. Take 3 to 4 spoons of flour powder. Like this, take 1 ginger and then peel out properly because some of the time the pores have the bacteria, so clean it proper way. Likewise I'm doing. Cut the ginger as per your required. Be careful while cleaning every pore. Peel properly and grate the ginger by using the grater. You will get juice easily. Use strainer and extract all juice from ginger. If you want, you can use the remaining part to other purpose, like for curry and tea. Take 1/2 part of lemon, take out juice, extract all the juice and take 1 small bowl, strainer, stain it using strainer. Put it side by. Take 3 spoons of wheat flour or and fry the flour without anything, just flour. Stir it again and again. When it seems quite brown, take it out from stove and put side by. Let it little cold and pour it into a small bowl. Now going to take 1 deep pan, give heat on it. When it is heated, add a small amount of ghee or non-salted butter just for avoid from burning. But here I am not using anything. You can use if you want. Add or pour lemon juice and pour ginger juice. Add 2 big spoons of honey. If you want more, you can add 3 spoons of honey. When the honey will get heat, it will melt like this. Add black pepper, just a small amount, 1/4 part of the small spoon. Mix it right way. Stir it again and again. Time and again. Check the liquid thickness. Let it boil some minutes, but do not forget to stir it again and again. Don't leave kitchen alone. You understand what I mean to say? If you leave kitchen, the mixture can burn, and stir it again and again. Check the thickness of the liquid. After 5 to 7 minutes, the mixer will be ready. Now you can see it's almost done. Let it cool down. Take baking paper, make it ready and pour the solution as a small bubble, and be careful not to burn your finger because the mixer is very hot. When you're done, let that cool down for 15 minutes. Do not give this mixer to your baby if they are under 1 year old. Dusting the fried flour powder on the bubbles that will stop them from stick together. Slowly take them off from the paper, and here we made natural home candy, or you can say sweets. And if you want to store, you can take one metal tin or any box that you have. Here I am using the wheat flour. If you do not want to use this one, you can use sweet potato sugar, which you easily buy from any shopping complex. But do not forget to use baking paper like this. If you keep this for some day, it can stick together, so paper will help from it. The candy tastes really good and it will definitely help for coughing. If you do not want to make some like tablets or candy, you can use the liquid solution as well for the kids. If you guys have any question regarding to my video, comment below. I will answer as much as I can. I hope you enjoyed on this video. Thank you for watching.